Hey YouTubers, it's Chris from Canopy Crypto here. Just a few observations of the markets and what's happening with dApps, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and to me most interesting, Polygon is definitely making a charge in terms of the number of dApps that they are promoting on their network and getting lots of activity. So yeah, one thing I love to look at is the DApp radar site, which has a lot of interesting filters you can put on just to see, across all of the blockchain networks, Ethereum, Polygon, BNB, where are the dApps, where are the most applications being hosted. And you'll see that, PancakeSwap, and there's typically a lot of DeFi and gaming apps that are in the top 10 at least. A couple of marketplaces, OpenSea, for example, Magic Eden, but definitely, PancakeSwap is huge in the BNB space. I mean, BNB is still very dominant, but there are other up-and-coming currencies. Again, MATIC this last week, this is to October 20th. BitBuy does a nice weekly update, and I'm definitely a good fond user of BitBuy in Canada here for all my crypto holdings. I do use MetaMask as well and some various wallets, but definitely BitBuy is the main place where I keep my crypto. And they have not a complete selection, but they have a pretty good selection, and I can show you my portfolio at another time. But anyway, yeah, so Bitcoin itself, you'll see it's actually been quite quiet over the last few months in terms of volatility, having, been up to $40,000, and now, we're at like 20,000. And it's interesting to note that, the stock market, NASDAQ, TSE, in general, it mirrors the Bitcoin price. The stock market does move with the crypto market generally for these larger currencies. That doesn't apply to the altcoins, but for Ethereum and Bitcoin and Ethereum, definitely track with the major markets, or the market indices anyway. So yeah, just wanted to show you. These are if you can sort by all sorts of filters. Like this is unique active wallets, which is a really good way to see, how many wallets are being used. PancakeSwap, 1.5 million, and this is, I believe, in the last month. Yeah, 30 days. So some great analysis. You can also, you can focus on just the Polygon dApps and see what's hot by active wallets, and that's what I like to look at. Like almost 500,000 wallets in gaming on Polygon, and so it's interesting to see where people are spending their time and what kind of apps people are most interested in. These look like sort of gaming or gambling, make me rich, high risk. So there's a lot of that going on. There's, definitely DeFi exchanges are popular. And yeah, the 1inch network here seems to be the leader in terms of active wallets for DeFi. And yeah, so it just gives you a sense of what's going on. Interesting trends also in Ethereum. The price has dropped over 20% in the last month since the merge. That's an interesting trend. But on the flip side, MATIC has taken a big jump, and so has Avalanche. So these altcoins, I'm bullish on MATIC. Cardano, Solana are also in there, but definitely these should be, you should think about your portfolio and think about the Polygon network and just beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, these smaller altcoins MATIC is almost not an altcoin anymore. It's becoming a major player. This isn't financial advice. You know the story. I'm not a financial advisor, but these are things that I'm investing in, and you do what you choose. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. I think definitely it's going to be an interesting next few months. A lot of people are bullish, thinking that there's going to be a huge rise. I'm looking at, holding on to a number of other coins. This is just a backup portfolio to show me, or to show you what I'm investing in. But yeah, MATIC Engine's gaming token, VRA, video. There's all sorts of other plays. BNB is still a good bet. It's the biggest. I believe it's the biggest token. Next to Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're all in the top 3, and Avalanche as well. I also really like Polkadot, just in terms of their decentralized autonomous organizations, their focus on growing the government space. So an Engine, definitely a good gaming altcoin to look at. Again, not recommending you buy any or all of these, just keep it in mind when you're thinking about diversifying your portfolio beyond Ethereum and Bitcoin. Anyway, look to update you more on some dApps that I'm working on. I'm working on a couple of gaming app, play to earn app, as well as a kind of crowdsourcing funding app, a kind of a GoFundMe for crypto. So I'm looking forward to sharing that with you shortly.